Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can get loans from BankHometown using the website. So you can use any web browser for this process, and on the address bar simply type bankhometown.com and you will then land on the official website of the BankHometown. Now to get a loan, the process is very easy. Simply tap on the login option which is at the upper left corner of the screen, and here scroll down and then you will see the option with apply for a loan. Tap on it. Now choose according to your preference. You can apply for the fixed rate or adjustable rate as well. Now tap on your preference. Now you need to fill in the details here. So here just fill in the details and then tap on the next option. Afterwards follow the instructions till the end. So that's how you can apply for loan from the BankHometown using the website. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.